In front of me is HONOR X7b, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open Play Store and install free app Code Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, open it and then hit continue in the pop-up. Now select Allow. Click on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files and go back. Finally, you can select Clean at the bottom left corner and choose Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, select Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!